Hello, mathematicians. Today, I am very excited about the project that you will get to do for your math job. Today, you are designing one whole day of school. You may invent or plan different activities in your perfect day of school. You will plan 8 things using this planning sheet. How you will do this is you will pick what time we will start school. On my clock, I have school starting at 8 o'clock. In your ideal day of school, what time does it start? On the line next to your clock, write the activity. My first activity for my perfect day at school would be breakfast in class. Then, as the day goes on, I pick the next activity. At 8:30 or 8:30, we are going to have a cartwheel contest and my perfect day of school. Then I will plan 6 more things to go from the beginning of the day to the end of the day in order. What does your perfect day of school look like? Will you invent a new activity? I cannot wait to read your schedules. Have a great day, mathematicians. I'll see you next time.